Bear Snores On. You can read the book. Let's open it. Turn the page. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Turn the page. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Let's turn the page. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Now the mouse is in. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights a wee twig with a small hot spark. Turn the page. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Turn the page. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare pops in. I see Hare. "Ho, Mouse," said Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. What are they drinking? They're drinking tea. And what are they eating? Popcorn. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but Bear snores on. Let's turn the page. Who's this? Who has arrived in the cave? Badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. Now they're eating honey nuts and popcorn. And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Turn the page. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Look at who is in the cave now. Who is in? We have the mouse and the hare and the badger and the mole and the gopher and the raven and the wren. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm." Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Turn the page. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In the cave, in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crew freezes. They look, how do they look? They look, to me, they look surprised. They're surprised that the bear woke up. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, he roars and he rumbles. He jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. They're gonna make more to eat and drink for the bear. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. We'll turn the last page. The book is all done.